Now moving to the next video lecture of environmental pollution is ozone and its depletion. Before to go for ozone and depletion, you must know ground level ozone is a gas made up of the molecule with three oxygen atoms. So ozone molecule in the environment where we are surviving in the atmosphere, in the troposphere, that means uppermost layer of the atmosphere is troposphere, where the ozone is the poisonous gas. So this ozone can affect the people's health, can damage the vegetation types or vegetables or the plants, and also some of the animals are also affected by the ozone. Let us discuss about the introduction part about the ozone. As you know that ozone formula is O3. It is very highly reactive form of the oxygen. Unlike oxygen, ozone is having strong scent, its own smell, and it is in blue color. Now, how the ozone depletion is observed? Dear friends, presence of ozone is not good in the atmosphere, especially in the troposphere, but the presence of ozone is very much essential in the stratosphere. So ozone layer, where it is located in the uppermost stratosphere from 10 to 15 kilometers range. If you want to have the exact position, more or less above 16 kilometer height, you will be finding the ozone layer. Then what is meant by ozone layer first? As you know that in the earth atmosphere, you have that different troposphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, exosphere, thermosphere, etc. So here one of the atmosphere is stratosphere, where there is fairly high concentration of ozone molecules that are formed when they have been combined. When sunlight hits such a oxygen molecule, so this part is leading to form the ozone. Oxygen molecules are going to combine to form the ozone layer in the stratosphere atmospheric layer. Then why ozone layer is important? So ozone molecules in the atmosphere provides us very important protection from the sun radiations or solar radiations. Especially these ozone molecules are very good for absorbing the certain ultraviolet radiations which are reaching our earth. Otherwise, most of us are going to be suffered by the sunburn, red patch on the skin, or skin cancer, or the severe diseases have been seen if ultraviolet radiations are what? They are going to come in contact with the skin or body of the human beings. Now, what is the fact of ozone layer? Ozone layer acts as a blanket in the atmosphere above 16 km height from the Earth's surface. It absorbs the ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun and protects the life on the earth by absorbing the ultraviolet radiations and preventing the passage of UV radiations towards the earth's surface. Now, how the ozone layer is getting damaged? As we know that we are speaking in most of the way, whenever you are going to study about the environment, there is what you have seen or you have heard about the ozone depletion. So why the ozone layer gets depleted? Because of what? There is some chemical reactions which are taking place when the ozone molecule comes in contact with some chemicals which are released by the human interaction. So these chemicals are going to break up the ozone molecule, and as a result this ozone molecule is unable to absorb the ultraviolet radiation. Then the molecules that are destroying the ozone layer, they are what? Chlorofluorocarbons, or generally what you can say CFCs. Now this ozone hole is depleted, or it is also called as thinning of ozone concentration, which is observed in the stratosphere, especially in the Antarctic region. The depletion is caused by the chlorine based aerosols like chlorofluorocarbons of CFCs. So these chlorofluorocarbons are decomposed by the ultraviolet rays, which is highly reactive with chlorine, which is produced during the atomic formation. So let us discuss about with specific examples. When CF2Cl2 is taken, it is decomposed by the absorption of ultraviolet radiation, dissociate to form CF2Cl. There is a suppression of a pre-chloride radical in the gaseous state. So this chloride radical or chlorine monoxide, when it reacts with ozone molecule, there is a formation of chlorine monoxide plus oxygen gas. So this causes the depletion of ozone layer. So how it is? Chlorine monoxide, when it comes in contact with the nascent oxygen or active oxygen or atomic oxygen, so there is a formation of free chlorine by the release of oxygen gas. Again, this free chlorine radical, the same process can undergo of several times. It destroys the ozone molecule as I depicted in the previous reactions. Thereby, it is observed that thinning of ozone molecules or ozone layer has been observed. Now let us discuss about some important facts about the ozone layer. The word ozone means smelly in Greek language, which is originated from the Greek language, where it has the gas of very strong odor. I am to say smell. Second point is what? About the CFC molecules, chlorofluorocarbons, they are highly stable in the environment and they can be survive in the environment around 100 years. Unfortunately, this period is too much plenty that can cause the deflection of ozone layer. So one of the chlorine free radical formed by the CFC can destroy continuously around 1 lakh of ozone molecules. As a result, there is a drastic change in the concentration of ozone molecule in the particular area. So thereby what happens? Ultraviolet rays can be pass through that gap, can cause the destruction of the phytoplankton or the plant species which are surviving in the water, which affects the food chain of the ocean. This ozone layer, it is especially observed where in the Antarctica region. It is also sometimes known as hole, or it is also called ozone layer hole. Now let us discuss about some effects of ozone depletion. What are the problems? ozone absorbs the ultraviolet radiation and protecting us, including the living organisms they are surviving on the earth's surface. If not, if there is no ozone is present, then what is the harmful effect to the human being or other animals? There is increase in the cancer, there is reduction of crop yield, there is reduction of phytoplankton, means these are the plant species which are surviving in the water. It disturbs the food chain. There is increase in the smog, means thick air, and acid deposition can be observed if ozone layer was not observed or not found in a particular area. So with this, the chapter of environmental pollution is completed. Thank you, one and all.